So how long have you been in making these for?
We started them, when was that, 2017 we started making them.
Yep.
So yeah, Century Cove 2018 was the first boat show.
The actual launch.
So, yeah.
Awesome. So they've been basically getting manufactured for sale for about 6 months to a year.
6 months to a year now.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah. So no,
Awesome.
the first orders we ever got was through Century Cove. So
Yep.
then from there, a few went to Melbourne, so we went down to the Melbourne boat show and helped them.
And you sell direct to public, or you got dealers?
Yeah, direct to public at the moment.
So for a fully kitted up one ready to go, what do they retail for?
$3,990.
$3,990.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah.
Just under $4,000. That's pretty. That's very reasonable.
Yeah, well, there's a lot of people don't realise the amount of parts and labour that go into it.
Yep.
You know, that's the big thing. Something the whole family can use too.
Yep.
That's the thing I like with it. You know, and it's, kids can use it, an adult can jump in with a kid, and
Yep.
it just, I think water safety too. It's teaching kids straight, you know, from a young age. Right?
Oh, definitely.
Use the boat, it's learn about how it rocks around and what happens when you turn the steering wheel, how they react and what they do. Quite a simple's good. I always like simple, but it's got a few flashy bits too, which is good. Nice and easy for kids to use. It's all forward steering, just a simple on-off switch on the dash that they can easily reach to. Nice little Axis Bluetooth stereo and everything on there, AM, FM.
Nice.
And a little voltmeter. You can even charge your phone with the USB input.
Yep.
Of it too. Got to have rod holders for the keen fishermen.
Definitely. That's definitely must.
Cup holders so you can stay hydrated. Plenty of storage room for your tackle box in the back. Got enough room under the bow to fit a 6'3" person, we've figured out.
Yeah,
So,
nice.
yeah. But no, flotation foam and everything built in under it, and then the sides and up and under the front deck, so they've got level flotation, which is really good. I've done a lot of testing to make sure it's as safe as we can make it.
And when it comes to runtime, what sort of size battery you carry in here?
We've got two options, a 55 amp hour or a 105 amp hour. The 55s last for about 2 hours usually on 4 or 5 speed settings, and then the 105s last for about 3.5 to 4.5 hours.
Yeah, awesome. And your general cruise speed is about 3 knots, you were saying?
Yeah, about 3 knots usually, then up to 5 knots unless you're in a bit faster tide, which we shouldn't be in, but yeah.
I reckon this would be the ultimate bass boat or jack boat for the canal guys. We're just arriving here at Sundale Bridge. We're going to launch the boat, have a bit of a test drive, get a feel for the boat, and then as you see I've got a couple of rods on board. I'm going to go and have a drift for some brim and some flathead. Righto, it is raining, so this camera won't be doing much of the filming. As you see, the GoPro mounted to the front of the boat here. That's going to be doing most of it. So unfortunately you're not going to have the quality I usually do. So we'll launch it. Josh is going to go under the bridge and we're going to go up and give this thing a test drive.
Oh God.
Girl, sit down.
Oh God.
Now, this being the first time, I don't know quite what to expect here, how stable it'll be. Something interesting doing the reverse and so on behind me. Well, first impression, pretty stable. I can just imagine floating down a canal, flicking at those pontoons or whatever. This is pretty cool actually. And I can't wait to get out and catch a shark out of this thing. Right, move over.
Oh my God, Dad.
Yeah, head up.
Oh my God.
No. Go, no, sit down. Okay. You ready?
Yes.
So you're steering. Not yet.
How do we do it?
Here we go. Watch where you're going. So I've just come across my first bit of chop, and it seems to be holding up really well. It's quite surprising. A very low freeboard here. My daughter can actually touch the water. No, it's not a big boat.
Yep. Little brim. Just engulfed that bait.
First fish of the day. I think it might be a little brimbo. Yep. Little brim. Just engulfed that bait. I think that's the first fish in the Startercraft. First little fish, nothing big, but good fun. Especially in this little bloody machine.
Little brimbo. Another little brim. I must admit, fishing out of this little Startercraft makes fishing just for little brim, whiting, whatever, makes it so fun, even if they're not even legal.
I know this one.
Oh, did you see the big fish you jumped in?
Yeah.
What was it? What colour? It was a mullet.
Oh, yeah. What is it?
Got a fish. Flathead. Oh, Flathead.
Oh, missing this.
Oh, that's Mummy's favourite.
Yeah. Flathead's a mommy's favorite.
Yep.
You must keep it. To save. What's it doing? Doesn't want to get off.
Yeah, that's it, baby. Stop. Sit down.
Will it bite?
No.
Doesn't it have teeth? It's a flathead. Yeah.
So we're just going to put this fish on the mat. 43 centimetres. That's a keeper and my wife's favourite dinner.
Alright, so I switched from bait and I ended up going give our hard bodies a go. I've just been flicking the rock walls and hoping I can bloody get maybe a cod or a jack. There's cod, mate.
Yeah, guys, as you would have seen in the earlier on in the video, you would have seen we met up with the guys from STARTERCRAFT, and we went out for a fish just to chill out, meet each other, just a meet and greet sort of thing. We ended up putting the STARTERCRAFT through its pace, so we did a fair bit of fishing out of it. Kurt was trolling with Lil, got a nice little floodie, and then I decided I wanted to go for a flick, so I chucked on a hard body on the bait caster and managed to pull this bloke out. So what we're gonna do now, I've actually forgot pretty well everything, so here's my tongs, some sticks, and we have no oil either, so we're just going to wing this. But got to work with what we got. I think we'll go the cod first. So as you can see, they haven't been skinned or gutted, filleted. So it's been a while since I filleted a fish, so let's see how we go. Shouldn't be too hard. Yeah, cod first. I'll give you a bit of a look as to what we're doing. So, got my foot in the mud crab hole. Alright, so all we're doing, cutting in behind that thing. Yes, the bones are still in there, but when you cook that up, you can just pick it out. And then just simply drag your knife along, like so. Skin it. I like to leave it still attached to the tail. Just cut it in there. Getting absolutely smashed by mozzies at the moment. And there you go. Barely any skin left on there. Try to open it up a bit. Whack that one on. Go ahead and cut off the other side of this cod. So basically the same thing. Time to invest in some sharper knives. But, like I said, this is just the bare basics with what we're cooking. Like, don't have any salt, pepper, don't have any oil. So it's very minimal. But sometimes the most basic things are sometimes the best. Good. Not the best, like I said, it's been a fair while. And I actually forgot to leave that on there, but we'll just like so, give you a little look at what I'm looking at. How good's that looking? How good. About give this cod a go, eh? How good's that look? Mine, the hands are a bit scrubby. That's a lot better than I thought it would be, honestly. And for literally just a fry pan, chuck the fish on. Yes, it is sticking because I forgot the oil, but honestly, it's beautiful. And that Flathead,
shouldn't take too much longer. Time to try a bit of this flathead. How good's that hook? Bloody beautiful. Just falling apart. Takes the cake. 100%. Wow. Honestly, if you haven't eaten flathead, which I'm sure basically everyone has, you're missing out. Honestly, best fish going. I hope you guys enjoyed the episode anyway. And I want to say a big thanks to the guys from STARTERCRAFT. Really appreciate it. And it was great fun to meet you all and get out for a fish and just chill out and relax. So until next time.
Well, we're back. I had an absolute ball in the mighty STARTERCRAFT. I was very shocked actually as how that boat performed. Very, very stable. I'm not a small lad, and had my daughter in there as well. Handled the chop perfectly. I could stand up, cast lures in it, and Lily was bouncing around at the same time. Absolute mint boat. If you get a chance, jump over and see the Facebook page of STARTERCRAFT. Talk to the guys there. They'll help you out, that's for sure. Now, in regards to the cooking, well, that was Josh's very first attempt at doing a video by himself. I think he did pretty good. Stay tuned as we will be doing more episodes based on the STARTERCRAFT. We're going to go shark fishing out of it, jack fishing, may even take to Condamine or something like that, chase some cod out of it. I do of course want to chase sharks out of this beast of a boat. I'm going to start with pups down the Logan River, but I also want to chase a shark out of the STARTERCRAFT that is bigger than a STARTERCRAFT. I reckon that would be great viewing. Also, if you'd like to suggest an episode you'd like to see based on the STARTERCRAFT, including my daughter obviously, please comment below. Don't forget to give the old thumbs up to the video and subscribe. Till next time, cheers and good luck.